Hey guys, Anonymous Pro with back again another video. Today I will show that how you can easily create ethical hacking tools for website information gathering. In this video I will show that how you can easily create DNS lookup for website information gathering. So DNS lookup. Use this DNS lookup tool to easily view the standard DNS record for a domain. What is DNS lookup? A domain has a number of records associated with it. A DNS server can be queried to determine the IP address of the primary domain, a record, mail server, MX record, DNS server, NS name server, and other items such as PF record, TXT record. Different tools provide this functionality. A common on being NS lookup, which is available on many operating systems, include Microsoft, Windows, and most Linux distribution. Another tool found on Linux-based operating system is generally a more advanced tool that has a number of features that NS lookup does not. A primary reason for deprecating any type is that it was often used in DNS amplification attacks, DDoS. The idea of an amplification attack is the attacker sends a small response and gets a large response to the target, often using simple spoofed DNS queries. So let's start the video. Without further ado, follow me.